Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Salam harmoni. Hello everybody, my name is Ige Alokita Purnamika Utami. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the models that you are going to use in this professional teacher training program. Module 1, entitled English for Public Information, is designed to help you learn English for public information. This model covers 4 specific topics such as public notices, posts and banners, graphic organizer, and infographic. During the lesson, you are required to develop several expected characters, as well as your understanding by studying sample of those topics, including the social functions, text structures, and lexicogrammatical features. Also, you need to study the differences and similarities of those generic structures between a number of short functional texts. At the end of the lesson, you are assigned to create public notices, post and banner, graphic organizer, and infographics of your own. In each topic, you will be involved in 3 activities, namely pre-activity, whilst activity, and post-activity. In pre-activity, your background knowledge needs to be built to increase your comprehension to understand the concept of those 4 short functional texts. In whilst activity, you will be involved in many activities to promote your understanding and enjoyment while you are learning the materials about short functional texts. At last, post-activities will engage your higher order thinking skills in questioning, discussing, creating, and presenting your own ideas. Now, let's see what you will learn in each topic. Topic 1, Public Notices. In this topic, your ability to read and create the notices is required. That's why you have to understand its social function, structures, and language features. To do so, you will be assigned several reading activities of several types of notices completed with some question, such as comment, caution, information, prohibition, and warning. Through these activities as well, you will be able to analyze each type to find out the similarities and differences. To show your applicative knowledge in problem-solving activity, you are required to create public notices based on certain contexts. Your communication skill in presenting your ideas is also required through discussion forum. At the end of the topic, after you have built your comprehension, you will be formatively assessed in multiple choice tests. The result of all assignment that you have done will be evaluated to show how well you have been progressing during the lesson. Topic 2, Posters and Banners. This is our second topic, Poster and Banners. Anyway, have you known what poster and banners are? How to differ them? Have you ever created a type of it? If not, this part will provide materials about poster and banners to help you enhance your basic knowledge of the topics and develop your creativity in producing certain types of your own. Firstly, you need to define each of them. Once you have understood the differences of poster and banners, you are required to be able to find the sample of poster and banners in your own neighborhood. The skill of understanding the information is the most required one. Thus, several activities in this topic will assign you to achieve the learning goals. It mostly provides you some example of poster and banners and require your reading comprehension to understand the content stated in the poster and banners. Of course, each reading assignment is completed by several questions. Then you will get the opportunity to acquire certain information such as the social function, the generic structures, and the language features, as well as the characteristics that differ one from another. At the end of the lesson, all this knowledge that you have built during the learning process will support you in creating your own posters and banners. Yes, to show your mastery of the materials, you have to create a type of banners and posters and present the ideas of it. Topic 3, Graphic Organizers. The third topic is all about graphic organizers. something that represents visual understanding that structures information by organizing significant elements of notion or subject in a pattern using labels. Its primary function is to present information in a concise manner that emphasizes concept, organization, and relationship. As it is in the second topic, this section will provide you several reading activities that support your knowledge building. In the beginning of the material, you will be provided with theories related to graphic organizer. Unlike the previous topics, your understanding of the concept of graphic organizer will also be facilitated by videos. Through the video, you will be able to define the social function, the generic structure, and the language features used in graphic organizer. You will also be helped to find out some type of graphic organizer such as description, sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, and problem and solution. The most required skill that you need to achieve in this topic is the way you can grasp the meaning of the information stated. Your mastery will be also evaluated at the end of the lesson. Topic 4. Infographic. In the last topic of this module, you are going to learn about infographic. This part provides material related to the definition of infographic, the structure, the language features, as well as the information to create effective infographic. The use of infographic and other data visualization have become well known in the mainstream media, personal website, and social media. It happens because infographic can be a beneficial mechanism to present data in visual manners. You can create infographic in many different ways using software you frequently use. Infographic are essentially visual representation of information. Commonly, they are utilized to tell stories, bring ideas, or explore issues through a range of different graphics. They are now widely used to improve a reader's understanding of a particular topic or issues. As in the traditional media, such as newspaper, you can also find infographic in many digital publishing. Increasingly, infographics are produced by a range of public and private sectors institutions as part of public strategies. To acquire the expected knowledge, you will be involved in several activities. Firstly, there will be videos for you to get the concept of infographics. Of course, there will be several questions following the video that can deepen your understanding. And secondly, a cooperative work in the form of small group discussion and class discussion will strengthen your understanding about the generic structure of infographic, including the social function, structures, and language features. At the end of the lesson, you will be involved to conduct the infographic of your own. Ladies and gentlemen, you also need to create a supporting instrument to get the data. Having collected data, you are expected to present the findings in an infographic that depicts the results of your research. Having the product and the other types of formative tests, you will be evaluated to see how your learning process is progressing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about the overview of Module 1. At the end of the module, there will be summative tests that is done to see how much you have learned through this module, and it is hoped that this module helps you increase your knowledge of the material. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam harmoni.